One of the main benefits of Ekodeck is you don't need to oil it, paint it, or seal it regularly like you would with traditional timber decking. It doesn't take much to keep your Ekodeck looking its best. In a few easy steps, we'll show you how quick and simple it is to keep it clean. A general clean is recommended when you first install your deck and then periodically as you use it. Just use a stiff bristle brush and work your way along the boards in the same direction as the grain, using hot water and dishwashing liquid. Once that's done, wash down your deck using a garden hose with a fan spray nozzle. Or for a more thorough clean, a high pressure washer is recommended. Cleaning spot stains is easy too. Here's an area that we stained with burgers and chips and left for 7 days. Simply spray on a grease remover like Lift Off 2. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, then scrub it down with hot water and dishwashing liquid as you would normally. To finish, it's important to push the water off the end of your deck. Use a mop or squeegee to remove excess water and also to avoid puddles or watermarks after your deck is dry. And we're done! In just a few easy steps, we've got a fresh, clean Ekodeck ready for any occasion. For more information on how to treat specific stains, please refer to our comprehensive care and maintenance guide.